Again, we are at our new open house here on Corrine. It is probably one of the nicest houses in Buenaventura, so I thought I would take you through a quick little tour, just give you kind of an idea what that looks like. And we got the open house sign set up. We are ready to go. Let's see what we got. All right, come with me. I'm going to start you somewhere where most tours don't. This is the front primary. Walk-in closet right here, wood floors, and it's tucked in the front of the house, completely separate. Its own full bath, dual sinks, plantation shutters, drawer storage everywhere. This is a real suite, not a bedroom with a sink. Back throughout the entry and off to the side, a flex room, office, guest room, media room, and those built-in shelves stay. Now here's the heart of it. Fully remodeled. Quartz counters, waterfall island, mosaic backsplash, matte black hardware, and a window right over the sink looking over the yard. Electric cooktop, double wall ovens, soft close everything, and it opens straight into the dining area so you're never cooking alone. Great room right off of it. Stacked stone fireplace, TV mounted above, and the whole space just flows. Second sitting area over here, reading corner, cocktail spot, however you use it. This floor plan gives you options. And look at this, slider straight out to the pool. That's the Arizona indoor-outdoor thing everybody wants. And down the hall, the sellers built this gallery wall over the years. Feels like a home somebody actually loved. Secondary bath in here, and it's a full tub, which matters if you've got kids or you're planning to resell. And now the secondary primary. All the way in the back of the house, different location, different vibe. Rich wood floors, big footprint, and its own door straight out to the backyard. Morning coffee right there. Bath in here is natural stone counters, dual vanity, great light. 2 suites, 2 full baths, opposite ends of the house. So think about that for a second. Multi-generational family, in-laws visiting, adult kid home for a while, or roommate, completely solved. Back through the living room, every one of these windows is looking at the backyard, and that's really where this house closes the deal. Okay, here we go. Covered patio, full dining set, and that pool. This is a 9-month-a-year backyard. Sparkling water, loungers, umbrella up, mature palms for height, hedges all the way around for privacy. Real grass for the kids or the dog, and citrus trees along the back. Hard to find this in a new build. That's Corrine. 2 primary suites, remodeled kitchen, resort backyard. Thanks for joining me on this tour.